Hi, this is John with WTI, and this was intentionally at first a gift for my mom, for her to just to have a back massager and for her to be helpful for the whole idea of her feeling more comfortable. She's getting to her late 60s. But at the end of the day, I like this a lot too. So this is back massager that it will give you a great experience because it will give you different modes of vibration, the intensity, and not only that, it's the coolest thing ever because it gets actually the temperature of the massage level. It could be hot, it could be just a normal temperature, it could be even a cooling effect. And the great thing is that you can reach different places in your back, anywhere in your legs, and it's gonna give you this different modes, the intensity. So the experience with this is just great. So if you're looking for a great back massager or anywhere that you want to massage that has a high flexibility of what you can do with it, this one's just great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.